Hello everyone, this is Tianjin Electric Technology, we are the manufacturer of transformer accessories. Today I would like to introduce you our products, transformer oil level indicator. You can see there are three types, and now I will introduce to you. Okay, this one, it is used in the Chinese transformer, and less foreign transformer use it. Okay, you can see this one. This is used mostly for the foreign transformer. Okay, I will introduce you the material. Here you can see the yellow part. It is made of iron, it is made of brass material, and this rod it is made of aluminum. And you can see on the here there is a mark, max and min. So we can judge the oil level from here. Okay, you can see this one. They are the same. They are the same. Just as the aluminum rod is different. This one is longer. Okay, for these three types of oil level indicator, we supply our clients at broad and foreign clients, and also we can develop the oil level indicator according to your drawings. So if you are interested in our oil level indicator, please contact us.